All right, guys, it's a beautiful 36 degrees here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Yeah, it's a little chilly, but today we're gonna make a big change on the car, something that I'm pretty excited about. Probably the last exterior mod I'm gonna do for a while. We're gonna make a change to the back right here. As much as I actually really like this look, stay tuned to find out why we're going to change it. All right, guys, so we're here at Bruce Lowry Chevrolet. It's a little bit loud because, of course, we got a freeway right there. But we are going to go ahead today and we're going to swap out the low wing spoiler, the regular Z51 spoiler, and I'm doing the high wing. I'm doing the General Motors OEM high wing on here, but I'm going to tell you why. I actually really like the standard Z51 spoiler, especially with the ACS Wickers right here. But, however, since we did go with the 5VM side skirts here, I feel like I need something to kind of offset the back end right there and make it a little bit higher, because if this was a 1VM side skirt, 1VM front splitter, I probably would leave the Z51 spoiler on here. However, since I did do 5VM, we are going to go with the high wing spoiler. So we're going to go and they're going to take it across the street, get it installed right now. Right over there. There's another location where they do a lot of stuff, but yep, he is headed out. Got the YouTube playing on there, so I haven't seen my car driving, but maybe once my wife had it out. I'm sorry, guys. I know a lot of people don't like yellow. I absolutely love the color and do not regret it a bit. But when she gets back, should look substantially different. I know Steve got his done here recently, Bruce Lowry Chevrolet. But yep, there she goes. As we all know, I can never pass up free coffee, so we're going to go ahead and pour some more coffee here and make a little bit of mess. Hard to film and coffee and pour. I guess I can't do two things at one time, but look at that. Yes, we are going to go enjoy some coffee. All right, guys, check this out. Here on the floor at Bruce Lowry Chevrolet, they have quite a few classics, and we're going to check these out real quick. This is Lucy Lou. This is a 1953 3100 pickup truck in Berkshire gray, 15-inch wheels. Some of the stuff is era correct, other parts it says is not. But nice engine here. Check this out. I really like this. I'd love to be able to go back in time and kind of see some of the vehicles that were around back, you know, long before we were born. But check out this interior. This thing was restored really nicely. Absolutely love this. What a beautiful truck. Very nice. Let's go see what else they got. So what we have here is a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. This is Miss Daisy. This was restored in California. It took 6 years. Has all of the matching numbers on this. Look at this interior though. Can you imagine, and just imagine all the people that were alive that are no longer with us when this thing was created, all the people that manufactured this car, those that owned one. Very beautiful spec. But look at, I don't know if you guys will be able to tell in video, but how long these cars were. I remember seeing Elvis's car, one of his cars in Vegas, and I was like, how does this thing fit on the road? It was ginormous. But check it out. It's got the nice white roof. Very cool. Look at that motor. I love it. Very nice. Very nice. Let's go check this out right here. 1951. The first Suburban that I can recall, obviously, much before my time. But it's in Bordeaux Pearl Metallic Onyx Black. Very cool. 6-cylinder. We're going to step around because I want to go check this out. I want to get a better view, so let's go step around. All right, so let's check out this engine bay. Lots of chrome on the front. Man, can you imagine trying to work on a car back in that era? Man, it must have been, compared to today, it must have been a blast. It must have been a cakewalk. I like how they have the gas cap right there. It looks like this thing's ready to go all of the time. But check out this nice leather interior. Very good looking. So this was the early soccer mom vehicle right here back in the day. Another well done restoration here. Very nice. Such a cool concept back in the day. I don't know if there was an earlier. I don't know what the first year of Suburban was. And this beautiful work of art right here is a 1932 Victoria 5-window coupe. Check out the vents on the side right here. I love that. For some reason, it kind of reminds me of a Grand Sport. Don't know why, but it kind of does. Very, very cool. Look at these wheels. Could you imagine seeing one of these run down the road? Very cool. And look at all this nice chrome on the front. Nice big bumper. Should get your horns here out front. Look at this grille. Whoop. Very, very cool. Such a cool car. Of course, it's got the blacked out roof, just like I did on mine. Look at these rear bumpers. I like this. We're not going to walk around because it's kind of hard to get in, but check out this interior. You got everything kind of roped off, but excellent, excellent remodel on this. What a great rebuild. Some good restoration companies out there doing amazing work. I want to show you guys one last thing real fast. So this is the Stingray. It's like Corvette. It's the Schwinn Stingray. 1964 is the first model. I got to tell you, I actually had this bike as a kid growing up in the 70s. Although, believe it or not, I had yellow. Just like in my Corvettes, my first bicycle was yellow, but of course, I took off this seat and put on a real seat, took off these handlebars, put on real BMX handlebars, got some different tires for it. Basically, I completely, redid the whole bike. It looked nothing like this. Took off the fenders, all that. But mine was pretty cool for a kid when I was growing up. But yeah, look at that, 1964. Very cool. All right, guys, so we are done. So I'm gonna take a quick walk around here. Got the Doberman over here. What's up, puppy? Check it out. This is the final product. Although, I gotta tell you, we got one more product coming in. I said I wasn't gonna install anything else, but I guess I was wrong. I got one more item that I'll be installing tomorrow over at Steve's on the back of the car. But I gotta say, what do you guys think? I definitely like the high wing, especially with the 5VM. You need something to kind of balance it out. You've got the high arc right here on this side splitter, on the side skirt. And so I needed something I feel taller on the back. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. What do you guys think? I think it makes a big difference, personally. Just my opinion, but it's also my car. So anyway, there's a lot of people that do things with their cars that would not even be my choice. Like, I would not do it, but I still love to see it. I love to see what everybody does with their Corvettes. So anyway, for now, that's going to do it. We're going to pick this video back up tomorrow at Steve's house. So we're going to go ahead and move on for now. All right, guys, so we are getting ready to install the taillight tent on here. And Steve's over there getting it prepped. So actually, Steve, as usual, is actually going to do the installation. We're pressed for time, so I'm going to go ahead and clean the car because you see all that? That happened just in the drive over here from my house to his house. But we're going to film a little bit of him doing that. And then we're going to see what it looks like at the end because, like I said, we got the wing on. And we're basically done with the exterior of this. So we're gonna go ahead and move on now. So Steve's wiping down the surface with isopropyl alcohol just to make sure it's nice and clean and ready for the application. Getting each one of these done. All right, so Steve is applying the film. And he's even got his little headlight right there. Allows him to be able to see a little bit better in here in this garage, which of course, everybody loves this garage. How awesome is this? Such a great place. #1 for filming. And just speaking of filming, look, this is Steve's setup for when we do the live streams on Monday nights. Check it out. He's got all the lights set up. It looks like a professional studio. Me, I'm in my office. And if you guys are interested in this product, I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in what the brand is. Just let me know. But see, that's a before or an after. I always start with the after. Hey, look, here's the after, here's the before. And then this is the before. So you see how it's got the red on here now. We are tinting it out. And subtle changes. Yeah, right there. See, subtle changes, like you said, subtle changes. And those are the changes that set your car apart from other people's. They kind of go, something's different about their car. It looks pretty cool. I don't know what it is. It's a lot of those little things that really make a big difference. But anyway, we'll show you the end. I'm going to go ahead and start wiping my car down. All right, while Steve's over there doing that, I want to show you guys, we have some new detail spray for the car. It's the Expel detail spray. We picked this up whenever we got our cars expelled. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping it down. But if you guys are interested in a good detail spray, check out the Expel brand at expel.com. Right there, expel.com. Even comes with a nice cloth microfiber to wipe everything down. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. So just to show you what we did, we filled in these areas right here and this piece right there. Those were red and now they're tinted to give it that blacked out look. Both sides. And I want to say thanks to Steve, Protective Dad Pranks. Go follow him on Instagram and YouTube. He was the one that did the heavy lifting while I cleaned my car. So anyway, that's going to do it for this week. Listen, if you guys enjoy this video, please hit that like button. It makes a huge difference. If you don't subscribe and you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. Anyway, everybody have a great week.